welcome to day 5 of classroom setup. Yesterday I did not film. I wasn't planning on coming to my room. I went and got my hair done and I was going to do some other errands, but I didn't end up doing those, so I came to my room. So first off, I'm going to show you what all I got accomplished yesterday. Yesterday I created this bulletin board. It says timeline, and I actually didn't make these. A coworker was giving these away, all different letters, and I just snatched them up. One less thing I had to prep. If you remember, I made these labels and all I did was add the months to them. I already had them done, and then I just added the label, put clear plastic tape over them. Much easier and time saving when you borrow things or make things work that you already have ready. So what my plan is for this is to, anytime I take a picture of the students in my classroom, just posting it on the bulletin board. I'm also going to take a picture of them on the first day of school and post it where their birthday is. Post their picture where their birthday is. So that's also where I'll keep class birthdays and any other pictures that I take in the classroom. So yesterday I changed some of my behavior management system. I used to have a clip chart right here, but I'm no longer going to do that this year. Instead, I created a clipboard and a behavior log, and at the top it has categories that follow and coordinate to our report card. Follow rules, demonstrate respect, demonstrate self-control, takes care of materials, and listens attentively. And so if a kid is not doing what I'm asking them to do or making bad choices, then I'm going to have them sign their name, or I might even come over here and sign their name, or it is a clipboard and I can take it off and carry it with me. And this is just for me to keep track of how they've behaved. This is a sheet per week, so if they already have their name on here, then if they get in trouble the next day, then I'll just write whatever they did. And I have each thing like categorized, so I don't have to write everything out. If they have a bad attitude or disrespectful behavior, I can just write 2A. I don't have to write disrespectful behavior. I can just put the key number and the letter. And I also have back here just a kind of like a timeout spot, like if they just need to chill out for a minute, they can come over here, read over our class rules, kind of give themselves a little break, and then when they're ready to join us and change their behavior, they can join us. So this is something that I did. Yes, I did take time yesterday to label my new clipboard and whiteboards, since these will be mine and I'll use these for many years. I went ahead and created labels, and I stuck them on with packaging tape. So far today, Daisy's back here again today. She's helping me out a lot. She has been dusting these cubbies, and she's currently dusting my library area. And she has also numbered these binders with a Sharpie for me. These are their math binders, and she's put in their first unit's work. And she's placed all over their math binders in their cubbies. My next step will be for her to do table numbers on the tables and name tags. And earlier, my janitor came in and we worked on moving tables and getting the flexible seating done. So we moved these tables down to the floor, put some tennis balls on, and these are going to be for this table. We put these bands on these chairs, and we lowered this table so this could be the table for the balls. So we worked on blowing up the balls, blowing up those, and moving all the tables down to where they need to be. Right now, I'm going to go work on my class syllabus for open house and get that printed. So I've been working on labeling the tables with numbers, and first I put this on with some contact paper, and then I put Velcro dots in front of the chairs, and then I can stick the nameplates that I made, just Velcro on the back, and these will last all year, just like that. And now if I decide to move tables every so often, like every 2 weeks or 4 weeks, however, then the students can easily move their name tag. Time saver and a flexible way to have on your name tags. I just made my sign-in sheet for open house, so it'll have the students' names here. I have those covered up. Parents will sign in. They'll put a primary contact number, and then right here it says, how will I get home the first week of school? So they'll initial bus, car, or walker for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So at least the first day of school, I'll be sure to know how they're getting home. Then I also have created our classroom syllabus. So it says welcome, and it tells a little bit about myself and the way I teach. Then it says the ABCs of my classroom. So it has things like attendance, box tops, communication, classroom expectations, consequences, my discipline or behavior policy, dismissal, email, about my flexible seating, homework, our nightly reading folder, pop tabs, rise and shine, our school schedule, toys and trinkets, and our Tuesday folder. So this will go with them on open house. Then this will also go with them on open house. It's a student information for my classroom. This is just for my personal use. Their name, their birthday, 2 contact primary numbers, any medical information I need to know, such as allergy or diagnosis, and if they have glasses. This is permission for photography, just for me within the classroom, and I can put these on classroom projects or post in the hallway or for crafts or our newsletter or post them on Class Dojo. Then the last page, it says you are the expert. Describe your child's strengths and describe what you would like your child to strengthen. So these will be sent home on open house. So I said always make extra cards for labels because you can always find something to use this for. And I stuck these spelling feature labels on this. All I need to do now, you can see it's not shiny, I need to put some packaging tape over the top just to protect it, and then I'm going to stick it on these right here, and there we go. Quick and easy labels and organization for my word study. So we use like DSA, and I'm going to put different activities for each feature in here, or each word list, and just fill these up with goodies that students can practice during our small group time for word study. So I've noticed a lot of people go full on out with their classroom theme, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, if you decide to change your theme, then you have to redo everything. So what I've learned over the years that you use what you want your theme to be as your accents, and then that you use a color scheme for everything else. So let me give you an example. So I have my name tags here just as a color scheme, but that matches my classroom. But I use this name tag, an accent name tag, with my theme on it to go in their cubbies here. So I've added accents like Spider-Man and these pals. But as far as the background of this, the blue, that's going to stay. Like if I decide to change my classroom and my theme, all I would have to change are like these superheroes. And just take down the superhero stuff. I don't have to change everything. Like my calendar is basic primary colors, and I just have little accents of superhero stuff there. And all I could do is just change that out if I wanted to change my theme. I don't have to change out this whole entire calendar. The border will match probably any theme that I want to do. I could keep the theme and just change again the accents. So I know a lot of people want to go full blown out with their theme, and that's okay, but if you decide to change it, then just remember you're going to have to change everything. But if you stick to a color scheme and then just add your accent pieces like your superheroes or whatever your theme is, that will save you some time in the long run if you decide to change it. You're getting lots of ideas that help you out as you plan for your school year. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time.